We need to come together. From the top to the bottom, everybody needs to come together.
Everybody need to come
it's
together.
It's not the one on the dream team thing.
Yeah.
I don't know, community alone thing. The bigger heads, the people in high and low places need to come together and make this happen, brother.
Yeah.
Because it can't happen, it can be done.
Of course.
And the time we stop takes time.
Then in the kitchen, so we keep them clean, you know. We have some liquid soap in the living room. I know, living style right now. Yeah, man.
Yes, you're working on the outside.
Yeah, man.
It's a different kitchen from the usual.
Yeah, you see it.
It's not the house chef kitchen.
You know, it's a usual, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm a glass, I drink my champagne, you know.
Wine.
Wine, I mean. You see me, I say?
Yeah. So we have funny men.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Dream team.
One team, you know.
Young tradesman.
One team, you know. One team, take off a shirt and put on a shirt.
Oh, young tradesman here.
Yeah, man.
And we have the road chef over here.
Whoa! Yeah, man.
Update on the dream team.
Straight, you know. Over there, you know.
Still in the kitchen.
Yeah. Then a multi-million-dollar house I go and cook, you know.
Yeah. We still come talk. I pass from to see who are there today.
Alright.
We see who are there today. And we have the only living hero. The only living hero.
Go and put in some work, you understand?
Yeah. Only living hero. Dream team. Part of the team is here putting in some work. And we have Baja up here. We're going to circle Baja and come back. 1 second. And we're in Portmore. I like the look. I like the scheme. We have the teacher himself.
Yeah.
We have the teacher himself.
Take it to the road, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So this is the teacher on the road. Young tradesman, Cox-man.
Perfect.
Yeah. Blessings to my viewers and subscribers. Donors, big up on yourself, out alone.
You know, I think there's sad moments, you know.
Yeah.
You know, my condolence goes out. You know, everybody been shedding a lot of tears, you know, for what go on with them hear about. You know, a lot of the viewers them and the donors them kind of hear what go on with their sister, you know, also them losing cousin. So we just give them an update because they want to know, say, well, everybody alright and everything. So nothing now go on at the minute as them can understand.
Yeah, for real.
And you know, as we say, we have to big up the donor who make this job possible. You know, so Baja can bring out the members, them can put in a little work on the side. So this is basically the Dream Team first job, outer road job where them get. Building this wall. And you know, more things to be in place same way. So we give thanks. So you know, it's really a joy to know so at least we can get Cox-man out of the place.
Yeah, you know.
Things can kind of take your mind off a certain thing.
Yeah, man, for real.
Because everybody worried about you in a family. Yeah. You know, them don't go and know so you stay positive. I know, I ain't try to go down the wrong route. I'm telling them already say he's not thinking like that. You know?
Man, always have a positive mind, man. Stay strong. Keep the faith. Because there is a God, you know.
Yeah.
And once there is a God, everything is possible. So you just have to stay strong. Believe. Keep the faith. And move forward. Continue move.
Yeah.
Things are going to do happen, you know. You don't know my lost a loved one. You know me follow she. Yeah, you know how that is.
Yeah.
You lost her sister. You know. Is it?
Because she's the older one, right?
Yeah. No, she's not the older one, but she's older than me.
She's older than you.
I have 3 more bigger sisters than she.
Okay.
And she's the first
Yeah.
in my mother.
Yeah.
Of 8.
Okay.
The first to pass.
Yeah.
You understand? So those moments very touching.
Touching, of course, man. You know,
Trust me.
I tell them, man, deeply condolence, you know, goes out to you, because as you may say, the pain, but we know we are here, you know, everybody that's always asks, how is Cox-man, you know, and see him so the Lem as well too, you know, Lem losing cousin, because you don't know the whole of our family, see him here, and it's one team, and it's a sad tragedy like things like these, you know. So hopefully it can make us stronger. You know, I'm glad you never think the negative way, you know, because people worried and say one day Cox-man want to try to go the other way because of what happened. So people, this is Cox-man, young tradesman, you know, and I'm making no say he's not thinking that way.
Yeah.
You know, he's still up on the positive, as you can see, him still out here. And they work with Baja and a couple of the members then. You know, you have Lady come over here as well. It's like it's rotate, so everyone can get like a couple of days or a days or 2, you know. So Baja try to make it work so everyone can get out the community and come put in some work. And we have to give thanks to the donors who make it possible for this. Yeah, the big up Sharon. Yeah, Sharon, Carl. Yeah.
Enough respect. Every time, no basket never empty. The dream team, I will continue, put in the work and make the dream come true.
Straight.
Yeah.
Real, man.
Yeah, so Sharon make this thing possible because she said, alright, you know what, we get the dream team. I know that's the only trust network what she sees, because she sees the dream team and Baja and the team are putting in the work. She like the idea of the transparency. You know, so that's where she build the trust and say, alright then, she have a place and she want dream team to come and work on it, you know. So Baja themselves, you know, will get the job, and so you can bring out a couple of the members, them can come out and road here so everybody can clear their mind of what going on in the community. And it'll work. Because I know Cox-man, as I said, we know deeply.
Just me look at moment that I'm outside.
It breeze the place.
Feel different, you know.
Yeah.
Just me there in the place kind of make me feel.
Yeah,
Everything for you.
Yeah, and kind of give a different feelings and a different view.
Yeah.
So being out here, just
change mindset.
change your mindset.
Yeah.
We give thanks. I'm still big up again, Sharon. Yeah, football, it never ends. Young kids, no respect. All of the donors, no respect. Heart I love every time. Me on the football, it never empty.
Yeah.
Kino, big up yourself in the youth. God bless you. Heart I love Baja.
Yeah, man.
Teacher.
Hero.
Yeah,
One of my dream team member.
Yeah, man.
Enough love goes on. Love on the same way. Heart I love straight.
Yeah.
For yourself.
Yeah, man. And the thing is that it may pause a while in a trench town, you know. But as you can see, out of every bad situation, sometimes comes a good. A time for sit back and reflect and look the way forward and how best to deal with the situation where we're in.
Yeah.
Understand? It's sad for know, so boy, loved one can take it from us. You understand? And at the same time, a lot of things run through your mind and them things there. But when the mind settle, you find the right thinking.
Yeah.
Because you can't act on ignorance.
No.
You understand?
No.
Because that get better for small time.
Yeah.
You understand? And as Cox-man say with this now, it will take your mindset out of the place.
Yeah.
In a different environment. As I say, boy, with all of this what happened there is still life ahead of us.
Yeah, yeah.
We have to deal with, so he have to look out for himself. Him sister kids them were left behind, him have to go be a father to them right now.
Yeah.
You understand? And act as according to how the mother used to work, and the mother used to do it for them. The little girl, Shada, boy, sadly miss.
Yeah, that's
you
them
understand? They take the
cousin.
little loved one them from where the people them, boy, trust me. The only thing them have to offer is love. And that little girl never get to blossom for know what she done do in the future. Them not give her that chance.
Sure.
A life is snatched from her. Laugh, jovial, loving person, a person where anytime I come she say, walk one, babes. I'm going to say, yeah man, me there. She always have a word of encouragement.
Yeah, true.
You understand? She have a kind heart. She I tell her, she
yeah.
encouraging.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, she want a person where straighten Kadisa at times and say, boy, do what I do and go forward and look forward. You understand? I always tell her, I say, you see that girl, she have an interest of her art. She's not a pretender.
Yeah,
she is what you see comes out and what you say, things where you say. And as we can say, Sharon, big up yourself, you know. Because this coming at the right time for even take out some of the man them and rotate the thing for make them can know so boy, after a dust, the dust cycle, there is a calm.
Yeah, because
This is the
that's
calm right now. You understand? And with this, I'm going to hope that great things will happen from this and great opportunities will come, whether it's the members, the youth, them and the dream team can benefit and achieve. You understand? So this not discourage us. Trenchtown pass for a while until everything get back to normal and people get them up together and realize say there is life to live.
Yeah.
You understand?
There's no point for the nonsense.
Yeah, and the negative energy.
Yeah.
And you see, the whole of us can come on one page and say enough is enough. Done with this, because it not benefit nobody. Because you see, at the end of the day, it's the innocent people that can't run. I ever say this. It's the one that who cannot run always left behind and be the circumstances.
Yeah.
Them be the victim.
Yeah.
And a full time that we stop.
Sure.
Each one to look out for each other. You understand? You can't live amongst one another, brother. I live in fear.
You're right.
Why we can't stop? Them say there is a lot of boards where them say in Trenchtown. And I've never seen
Stakeholders.
Stakeholders. Where are the stakeholders when Dream Team was there? Trying to make a difference. Looking out for the needed, the less fortunate. I don't see any of these people come up and say, boy, we love one another. We're going to support what we can do to make this better. And to make it better on a broader scale. We don't see nobody come to do all of this. You understand? It's just we continue to do it. And look at it now. There's a lot of people down there right now who suffer and miss the present of the dream team. You understand? People who are there right now need a meal, need some attention, and need some assistance. Everything has to go from pass because of the negative force, the negative energy. And the negative force and the negative energy is always minor, it's not the majority. So why the majority sit down all the while and make a handful of people mess up the whole community? Eh? We can't sit through that. We need to understand and get up together, brother, and do better, brother. Be our brother's keeper, brother. We need to come together. From the top to the bottom, everybody need to come together.
Everybody need to come
it's
together.
It's not the one on the dream team thing.
Yeah.
I don't know, community alone thing. The bigger heads, the people in high and low places need to come together and make this happen, brother.
Yeah.
It can't happen, it can be done.
Of course.
And the time we stop take side, stop being hypocrite. You understand?
There's only one side of the right side, you know.
Yeah.
So it's the right thing. There's only two things we can do in life, you know, it's good or bad. You know, I will have to do the good.
Of course.
And you notice, this what happen, it never make Cox-man choose to do the bad.
Yeah.
Instead choose to do the positive side, same way. And remain calm and never act out of ignorance. Because him could have act out of ignorance because he lose a sister. You know. So anybody that thinks alright then this is it now, Cox-man I got mentality I got change because him lose his sister and him have to go do back reprisal with it's not, it doesn't make sense because I go back and forward, it's like it's a cycle.
And it's another life that they are going to take.
Yeah, another life.
Destruction that they are bringing.
Because as I say now, it's only Cox-man really can understand him pain when I go through. You only can try to give words of comfort. You see me? Because that's what we really can give you right now. Yeah. Because we can understand that because we have memories, you know, and them things do live on.
Every time when me hear some soft music, I remember about looking at my sister laying down on the ground. You can imagine look at your sister laying down, lying on her back. So that's a memory. It's a condition. It's always be there. What you have to say? Just have to believe. Stay strong, have faith. Be positive. And just continue to keep moving.
Yeah.
You understand?
Stay up on the positive side. This is what we represent as DreamTeam, you know.
Positive.
The positive and the love.
We already are show love. So we just continue to show love.
Yeah.
Good over evil. Straight good we are do, we continue to do good.
Yeah.
You understand? Positive mountain.
Sure. We are continuing now, so at least you're on the right journey. You're on the right path. You're not thinking about the wrong, because that's what needed, positive side. So at least people can learn off of you now, if you know. So you never have to go the wrong way.
Sure.
You can stay up on the positive side, see me. You know, because it's really tough. You know, Laugh is a friend of the all of us, see me. And also Sheeda, you know, Linda and cousin. So since 2 members lost, 2 someone in this war.
2 females too.
2 female as well. So it's really a hurtful moment. So you know, our prayer.
Hurtful moment for both the family members then.
So our prayer goes out to the both family members then, you know. I'm hope your mommy one well strong see me, because I know so love you. I speak to IT as well, so you know IT is deeply hurt, you know.
I go and take it day by day, man. You know, I speak to her on a daily basis, you know.
Yeah. I'm glad to know so you're alright and thing. You see me? I'm glad to know that. And that's how we're there as well too. So I have a donation for you from Carl and Dennis. Yeah, you know, Carl and Dennis already, you know, a regular donor of the program, see me. And you have other donor who contact me, so them I will try and see if them can make something reach to you. And also for them as well for his cause if it can happen. So we give thanks. So this is $14,000 from Carl and Dennis.
Carl and Dennis.
Yeah.
Enough love, enough respect. My food basket never empty. Pick up my donors then. Trust me.
Yeah.
There's a moment when you lose a loved one. You know? As I say, just have to stay strong, think positive, and just keep moving.
Yeah.
I say big up my donors them again. Carl and Dennis, enough love, enough respect.
Yeah.
Alright?
Go shut my eye. I just man.
I get to my eye and that's what my last one.
Man.
Yeah, so give thanks to Carl and Dennis, you know, or reach out.
Yeah, man, Carl and Dennis.
Because I tell you, say, every donor, the amount of phone calls we get and messages we get, the condolence, you know, what goes out and donors call crying, you know, and tell them, say, yo, let's tell the customer to stay strong, tell Linda man to stay strong. You know, we get a lot of phone calls, there's so much. So this is why I really have to get an update for them can see the condition and know so well he's stable, you know, he's mentally stable and he's not thinking of the negative. He's on the positive road. So big up yourself again, Sharon.
Yeah, man,
you know, see him here for the first DreamTeam mission on the outside where they might build a wall in the community of 4 more there right now. I put in some work, and as I can see, we have the whole chef in the kitchen. See him here.
Whoa! Yeah. Put on them gloves. You want to make some more.
So, as I say, everybody, the team is on. Everybody get a chance to rotate. So it's a rotate on this job. You know, everyone can come and put in some form of work. So it's a rotation. So everybody's on. So Lydie was here as well too yesterday, and you have the painter was here, and you have Boom. And you know, you have Thai people come over as well too. Boom was here, so you have Damo. Yeah, and painter, I call him already, and you have the rest of the rotation to happen, see him here. So we give thanks for that. So hopefully more of this can come in on the same way, where the man them can show them talent and skills where them learn from the teacher himself. So this is why we always say, yeah, we have to learn something. Because we never know say things like this that really happen. You know, Baja, this is why we know say we have to tell them to learn something.
I tell them to learn something, prepare.
Prepare.
Yeah.
Because we never know say whether I get a job like this now where DreamTeam are take on this mission now a build a wall. And you know, and more to come.
Yeah.
You never know, you know, building a house. So with the transparency, the trust network, what we're doing, this is what build the trust with the down and the viewers them, so them can trust us to put in some work at them place. And same time give us the go ahead to can highlight it and show the positivity and the work what go on. So we have the wow chef.
Whoa, yeah man, you see, there up on the ground man, you know.
He's not too in the kitchen too tough. Well, if in the kitchen same way.
They're in the kitchen same way man, out of the kitchen I come from, you know.
Yeah.
I put the special right now, you know. White rice and brown stew, you know.
Yes, sir. A chicken or chicken bag?
A chicken man.
Chicken I deal with today.
Yeah man, so the national dish, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man, it was special man, you know.
So you have to show what go on then in the kitchen.
Yeah man, from there up on the work me a badger, you know.
Yeah, and hero, you know, the
hero there, you know.
part of the team is here.
Same way.
So everybody are rotate.
All DreamTeam members, you know. So link up man, you know.
Yes, everybody are rotate now.
Yeah man, so yeah man, one team, you know.
One team.
See,
Yeah, man.
yes.
Come now, show them what go on in the kitchen.
Then in the kitchen, so I keep them clean, you know. We got some liquid soap in the living room. I know, living style right now. Yeah man.
Yes, sir, working on the outside.
Yeah man.
It's a different kitchen from the usual.
You see it?
It's not the old shed kitchen.
You know, it's a usual, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man, I'm a glass, I drink my champagne, you know.
Wine.
Wine, I mean. You see me I say?
Yeah. So we have on the menu today to the team.
Yeah man, so you know some. Yeah man.
Oh.
Dumpling and banana.
And breadfruit.
You know. Yeah.
What the gun provide.
Yes man, you know, cornmeal, dumpling. You see me?
Dumpling.
Yeah, man, look for Chinese rice, you know, look for China rice, you know.
It's a China rice.
Yeah man, China come from man, rice, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
some
man.
rice on the side.
You know, smell it, it's nice, smell nice. Yeah man, straight from down China the rice I come from. Yeah man, ship to America, come back, go back to China. So,
China man, the plastic rice, you know. Plastic rice.
Hold for the rice, but we get this man can get them out. Yeah man, sweet and out. Yeah man, so.
So the brown
True, this you know, specialist. Yeah. Red, gold and green.
Red, gold and green.
Okay, I love the red, gold and green. You see me I say?
Wow chef, color that in a red, gold
and green. Color that for the end of the pot, all the while.
And put up one video on there. But tell me I hear about Manchester.
Yeah, mama, see it, man.
See it and the rest of them cut up him seed and everything and somebody said, the worship they say yo, a red, gold and green, Rasta color.
Rasta color must say.
Yeah, man, say don't know one of them there will bring the tea down the same way we can bring some man. You know, take rotate it.
Yes man.
And get some man at the place same way. You know, freshen up their mind.
Yeah man.
Enlighten them some.
Enter in man, up on the ground man.
Yeah, come see. At least I'm glad say I have a little work I do you know.
Yes.
You know, because they can see the place kind of tense.
Yes.
You know, Trentford become ghost town right now.
Tell you man, I tell you. Watch it. Man come start to enter right at the end of so birthday, you know.
Yeah, when your birthday again?
11th of July man.
11th of July.
Man come there, me can keep a little party for me ends right now.
Yeah,
Little thing, but don't know for the 10th, I think we still have to jump around and do a little thing. You see me I say? Then still, you know. But
yeah, we are praying for everything stop.
Jaja still, you know. Jaja just know say, what thing come up in everything down, you know. Man, it's 11 o'clock, 1st of July, 11 o'clock lockdown.
11 o'clock lockdown?
Yeah, 1st of July, 11 o'clock lockdown in the night. Yeah.
Okay, so the curfew hours are going to change. So you have more time.
Now party, we can't do my local thing.
Yeah. That's
all our fans out there, 11th of July, and I forgot it.
So, wow, Chef birthday, 11th of July.
All the thing, chicken back and browns, national, everything I got up on the board.
Well, then them are going to stay Jamaica, like out there, so we are working. I continue to go and highlight, so see them are going to see what I go and keep them up to date, till when time everything is kind of calm down in Trenchtown.
Yes, so, man, look bad in the Trenchtown still, people. Yeah, man, look bad in our community, man, we love,
Yeah, look bad.
Much love ones are drop, the innocent people.
Yeah.
And the thing right now, they can't deal with this thing so near, this and this.
Can you not feel comfortable though?
Comfortable, you see. It's a youth walk anyway, when they dip on certain man, when they dip on nerve, man, they deal with everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody will deal with it, so.
Yeah, well, it's just the situation now.
One assist, community, a lot of people free.
Yeah. A lot of people. We know that I got happen, because
too much woman.
Yeah.
Job. Enough we are dead in the community.
Nobody at all.
Nobody. No man
the place where I live as one, the peace and the love. It's like how you can come here, so.
Yeah, man.
And the place quiet and nice.
Yeah.
I so one.
Yeah, that's one place, man. Because the place is nice and nice and nice in our day. I get worse and worse and worse now. Yeah, but them style, man, you see?
And now the fire get too hot.
Hot right now, you see me?
After you cool out of the fire.
Yeah, man. Latisha come look forward still, but you got to sell the team there,
Latisha.
Yeah, man.
No,
Latisha road and do some work. She say, yeah, man, right.
Yeah, because she messaged me and said, boy, she missed the team and everybody missed the team. The amount of people call and say they miss DreamTeam right now. But what I tell us is a fear, and people fear for them life. Everybody have a family see me, everybody have a mother and a father see me. We don't want to know so you them and sit down and feel the pain. So I don't want to take the risk and know so well, because remember when things happen, it's like a shell shock. Right now it's like a shell shock right now in other place. So it's going to take a little time to can get back to. I will there, I will wait patiently to know so when the place come back, DreamTeam is up and running again. Because people.
Lots of things we have to do right now. Lots of things right now we can't start to get through the things we are going to come.
Yeah.
Then you kind of slow down enough,
Yeah.
So, after a storm, must be a calm.
Must be a calm.
So I wait for the calm right now, feel be right now.
Yeah.
Start back the work in the community again. Enough things that they do,
True.
Yeah, man, I don't want to go there, if I do something in the community, I must something wide we have. Wide.
Can't do anything now in the community.
Nothing. Can't do in the community right now because it's wide.
There's tents.
Yeah, man.
There's tents.
So
at least now there, so.
Yeah, send the fans,
You have like a breathing space now,
feel
different. Yeah. Because then again, when they're far from the beach,
Yeah.
So when they already see me, we can go wash off, see me, going home was wash off.
Right,
joke thing. From the way home, we can always stop and wash off, see me. So we take a quick chuck off. And go enjoy.
And the wing them, hold it fly in there, see that, hold it fly, wing fly. Wings make you fly. Yeah, man, wings make you fly. Watch it. Hold it for them, man.
So see the people, the wow chef is still back at it, see again.
Yeah, man. They up on the ground, see the people. Just sit down on the shop. I hear some of them.
And we soon see the Zaga pass through.
Yeah, pass through, right. Yeah, man.
Everybody get a rotate, It's like a rotate, so everybody can come and have a little day or two,
Yes, man.
Still can earn something, see me. Just come and put in a little work for a day or two, see me.
Yes, man.
And you don't know, so there's a one thing, so we have to look out for each other, see me. And this is a wow chef, nice brown stew chicken.
Finger licking,
The bubble like the chicken gravy.
The China rice,
And boy, that's China rice.
China rice, man. You can't show all the back in the people.
From China.
Yeah, man, from China, man. From China rice, man.
No, so you have to grow your own rice. The wow chef rice.
Ground,
And the ground provide.
Ground food, yeah, man. Banana, breadfruit, and corn bean dumpling.
Yeah.
So, the thing well, come on. I'm gonna start mix the lime juice, you know.
I say I make some lime juice.
Yeah, man, have a couple lime in this, I'm gonna make some sugar water, you know.
Oh, with lime, lemonade.
You know. Yeah, man.
Whoa, lemonade.
I make some lemonade juice right now, so. Yeah, upon the ground, see him, man. Get a lot of things I need.
Yeah, definitely. So we always try to give them the update on what's going on, see them here.
People don't know what your face, man. We have updated, you don't see him, man.
Yeah.
That's why we up on the ground and do some work, and we have to cook in the meantime, man. You know?
And boy, the people them say nothing like the dream team. The people them, the viewers them are doing and just miss the dream team, boy.
Miss the true, man.
Daily tears, man. Crying for the dream
Miss the dream team, man.
But we love all the viewers and donors, man. It's pure love we have for them.
Same way.
And as I say, everything will be alright again very soon.
I forgot to name the people, yeah. Destiny. Man,
Yeah. Destiny, but chef still a big help, you know.
Still a big help, same way, man.
Destiny. Look from when the wow chef calling.
I want to have a cool and look at the Destiny, you know.
Yeah.
You know, they have a cool, you know.
And them are going to tell us, no, wow chef, you must drink room temperature water. Too much cold water in the sun. It's not good. Yeah, I hear them comment and tell you that. You know. But it's like it's a Jamaican thing. You know, once them in the sun, they want something cool to try to cool them down.
Well cool still, you know.
Yeah.
You can cool, but don't look a bit, man. You don't want to really well cool.
Right.
So look at temperature. Yeah,
Cool,
man.
yeah. Alright then.
Yeah, man.
So I go on.
New York, Toronto. Twice in New York, Toronto, Canada. Pablo General, Jaja.
Big up yourself,
Big up
Pablo.
your dada. All of the fans are more.
All of the fans, all of the donors, them big up on himself. Carl and Benny is the same way, big up on himself.
Big up this
You
Jaja.
know, love base station. Whoa.
Love there. Yeah, man, long time you found about it.
All the unknowns.
Yeah.
All the unknowns. Big up on himself. Whoa, chef, whoa.
Whoa! Twice, New York, twice.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.